I'm here with Brendan from SpotGo Cleaning Company, and I want to know a little bit about the history of this company. How did it start?
I grew up in the commercial cleaning and carpet cleaning industry. Mum and Dad,
Totally up my alley when we talk about carpet cleaning. Totally.
So on the back of that, I saw a need for a premium cleaning range of products that were Australian made, first and foremost, but also environmentally responsible. I saw the need for that probably 20 years ago, and after about 5 years of R&D and working out how to best bring this to market, we launched about 11 years ago now, and we're now ranged nationally in the Coles business. We just brought out in December of last year a first ever, world first, biodegradable barbecue wipe, and that's ranging in Coles.
I found this one. Okay, I want to ask you, out of your range right now, what is your favourite product? What?
Oh, I would probably say our glass
Really?
plate. Absolutely. It's made up of 7 different parts. It's got wetting surfactants in it. We use ethanol, not metho. It's just of the highest grade.
Ethanol, it really is the best, isn't it? I know, it really is. It's pure, and you don't get any streaks on the glass,
that's right.
any streaks on it.
Absolutely.
And I want to ask you as well, can we talk a little bit about your pet cleaning deodorizer?
Deodorizer there, Ocean Air Deodorizer.
Okay,
great
so
product.
this is, eradicates animal smells, long-lasting freshness, environmentally friendly.
Absolutely.
So this is, if anyone has a pet at home, you'll know that sometimes you kind of get that smell that hits you when you walk into the door. We call it a mixture between egg and corn chips, I find. That's what my family call it. So so spraying this all over like the little pet bed,
even on your lounge, I mist over your lounge, you know, if you've got a fabric lounge. Believe it or not, that product it really does do a great job, and it doesn't smell of roses, or it doesn't smell like a hospital.
And there's a difference between deodorizer and air freshener, guys, by the way, because deodorizing is actually getting rid of bad smells. It's not just covering up bad smells, which I think is very, very clever.
Yeah, very much so, very much so.
So where can we find these products?
Online for our full range.
Yes.
Our barbecue cleaner and our barbecue wipes are ranged nationally in Coles, which is great. We're actually, believe it or not, looking at moving our wipes into China. They're coming to us now, wanting our products over there.
Are they barbecuing over there?
Oh, apparently so. Apparently so. The top 20% of Chinese people are now, they're actually camping, believe it or not.